Hi. So, I really want to know if I put these muffins into a milkshake, if it's any good. So we're gonna find out. Mint chip ice cream is pretty good. Just gonna scoop this in there. Add like that much milk. And this is a muffin. Add a little bit more milk because I forgot about the muffin. Turns out it's not thin enough, so I gotta add a little bit more milk. And this is what we're looking at. I think you can see that. I hope. It smells like mint chocolate. It tastes exactly the same as it tasted without the muffin in it. Except like a little bit more chocolatey, I guess. But like, it's pretty good. You should try it. Okay, bye.